Let them flourish where they're planted. Bless this house, oh Lord. Ropafadzai Musha. Keep your hand upon our children. Musavasiya, Baba. May there always be enough. Keep your favor on this family. Nasi na Musavasiya. Nasi na Musavasiya.
May a daughter stand in grace. Musavasiya.
Like the pillars of a palace, give them so much wisdom for life. When the road becomes uncertain, bless this house, oh Lord. Ropafadzai Musha. Keep your hand upon our children. Musavasiya, Baba. May there always be enough. Keep your favor on this family. Nasi na Musavasiya.
Bless the works of our hands. Ropafadzai Musha.
Give us bread for every day. Baba. Keep all trouble from my doorway. Musha.
May our walls be filled with laughter.
Bless this house, oh Lord.